Where did those come from?
For the moms. So you have to wait for the guys come and for the people comes and I'll can I take everybody's surprises and we're here?
Boy, look at those right there. See the blue ones?
Yes.
Who left those?
Santa.
Right there. Those are for, I think that says Dylan, doesn't it? Let's look. Open them up and let's see.
Okay. Can I open?
Yeah, those are from...
Is that for me?
Yeah, those are from Santa. He came last night.
Is that my toy?
That's your stuff.
Can I open it?
Yes.
Oh, look at this, Dad!
What's that?
A doctor!
Oh, you gonna be a doctor?
Yeah.
Cool. Neat. What's the other one?
Where's mine? Where's more?
Right there.
Is that right here?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Can I open it and see inside?
Yes. Take a look.
Look, it's great!
Oh, what are those? Oh, cool. Look at that. Wow, look at that one.
Wow!
Need a bowl?
Yeah, I want here, Dad.
Yes.
You use this one, and I'll use this one.
You want a bowl?
Yes.
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 Yes. Merry Christmas, Dylan.
Merry Christmas, Dad.
Okay. I love you.
I love you.